Hi, my name is Eli Tiguelo from Hitiautera. I'm competing at Heiva San Diego 2017. My tumupurao is the Fenual, which is also the theme of the competition itself. I hand-sewn my whole costume using auti or tea leaf with a variety of ferns and ginger, which also represent the island of Tahiti. I also use a specific type of leaf to weave my headpiece to represent strength. And I've been dancing since I was 4, and I hope you enjoy my performance today.